Hello everybody, it is Alexandra. Welcome back to my channel. I do like a fall full glam makeup. Oh my god, here goes my boyfriend and my brother. But yes, please palette. Honestly, out of all the eyeshadows I have that have neutral colors, I think this is by far the best one because it is so cheap. Second color in the first row is my Mira from my Daisy Marquez palette. We're just going to be blending that out. These two pimples here, please do not mind them. They're being very rude. And I'm going to be taking this shade right here. Also, I am using BH Cosmetics brushes. I'm just using this brush to pack the color on the outer corners, start dragging it into the crease. Using this blending brush and just buffing that color out, making sure there's no harsh lines. The camera isn't really picking it up, but you can see that blend on this eye. We just want to make sure it's the same. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of that color. My boyfriend came over and he's currently in my room play fighting with my brother. Yeah, he's keeping him busy so that I can film my makeup tutorial. My crease, I'm going to be using my Anastasia eye primer. Just doing a half cut crease. Nothing crazy, I just wanted a little touch of gold. You want to be in the video so bad.
Hey guys.
And then I'm going to use this gold shade right here and put that on top of where I cut the crease. Out of all the eyeshadow palettes I've ever had, this gold is the nicest gold. It's so pretty. This gold.
Smart.
Yeah, I'm just putting that over where I cut my crease. But I'll figure it out. So I also forgot to mention I had tape on the corner of my eyes. I mean, you guys probably saw, but like you're making me laugh and I'm gonna mess up.
It's gonna crease. The makeup's gonna crease. It's gonna wrinkle.
Okay.
Only with the
So I'm gonna be back with my lashes put on, but I'm using my Leo lashes, lash glue to put them on. But I'm gonna be back with my lashes done and my foundation on, and then I'll do the rest of my face on camera, and then I gotta go. Just put on my foundation. I used my NARS Sheer Glow foundation, and then these are my lashes. I'm going to use my Jeffree Star concealer. Well, I have the green, the orange one, but that's not really.
The tangerine.
You look like a tangerine.
Looking like a rectangle tangerine.
All right, and you look like a tangerine.
You look like a tangerine.
You look like a mandarin.
You look like an apple.
You look like a jackfruit. Do you even know what jackfruit is?
Nope.
Exactly. Powder, I'm going to use my CoverGirl translucent powder. Oh my god, these pimples are going to bother me. You always want to press it in so that it actually locks the concealer and foundation, and then you just wipe away the excess. I'm going to use my Bahama Mama bronzer, of course.
Bahama Mama.
And I'm going to be bronzing up my face. I put a little too much, so I'm just going to try to blend it out. Of course. Oh, I wish the sun was out so I could take car selfies. I'm gonna take selfies in your car.
I mean, it's still bright outside. But the sun is out. Yeah,
look, isn't this your favorite part?
Yeah, you be doing that magic.
And I'm just putting the butt.
Sorry. Back to that.
Back to that.
What you say?
I'm just putting on my blush. Ew, why is my mom laughing like I do hear her? I'm sorry. For highlighter, I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place Clio highlighter. For my setting spray, I'm using my Morphe setting spray. That went everywhere else. Put my face. I just feel like this is the best setting spray. It isn't too expensive. It's like, I don't know if it's like $14. I'm not sure. But it feels nice and it really does set my makeup. Also, if you're new, I never put foundation on my forehead. I just feel like it always matches. But to finish off the look, I'm just going to line my lips with this Wet n Wild eyeliner in the shade Taupe of the Morning. And then, like I said, I'm just going to put a little bit of shea butter. Just because I am going out to eat, so I don't want like lipstick on. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I really like this look. If you want to see pictures of the look besides the thumbnail, then you can follow my Instagram. It's always linked in the description. Yes, I always stick to doing colorful makeup, but I wanted to do something neutral today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!